This wasn't telling so one man gets and left it. I went for 7 years, I never know what to do with this. It wasn't just that.
I'm confused. You know, says elephant.
No, I'm the other next thing I feature, so he couldn't pay attention fully, you know.
Be sick to.
Eh?
You should be sick to the other one.
No, man, the other one, man, him love the other one, so the other one.
And she have to on the street, man. The other one seems to flip on him before you start begging.
Probably.
But you know that you have to beg it first.
Probably, you know that. Yeah. I never used to like 6 months old.
So what are you?
36.
No matter about that, man.
God no, I have 2 picnic and I empty my virginity and I empty me something I like sex. They say after me left him, my blood cleanse.
You know what it means?
Yeah, 55?
63.
You're not friggin' 63.
Yes.
No way.
Yes. No, really.
That's a lie. You're not 63. No way. How are you 63? Guys, the man said because you're old here. What the heck? Jamaican men are the best. I'm going to go to the ATM. How is that twanging? How is that twanging? Better than a twang. Some talk and you bad me come start normal. Don't make me talk patter, which is not normal for me. I just wake up after 7. Bro, those squats took me out. My thighs were so sore. Oh, and I'm rubbing the cream on my thighs. Oh, girl. Don't do that if, you know, you sleeping less, you know, because bye-bye. Little coochie cat. Girl. Zomzity. Girl. Let me tell you right. Man, for you, go wash her off the blood cleanse. I'm like, no, she doesn't deserve this. She doesn't deserve this. I slept so good last night. I slept, normally my body wakes up at 5:30. I have a long day. And today, Beer Road. Oh crap, I need to put all this on my laptop and to see if I can clear off stuff off my phone. Because I'll be filming a lot of content today. I'm so hyped. I am going to be collecting my nails today from Yabbyznails. I can pick up set for me and set for one of my sister. I'm excited. I really am. I love having nails. Sorry. But I don't know if these are going to be long, like I usually have them long, or if they're going to be, they look shorter than usual. But feel like they belong. But you know, when I wear my nails long, I wear them long. So this thing, I am frig with a number. So I lost you. How do I breathe without you? Through my nose will start. I am a coffee person. It's done, bitch. I know. I'm thinking I like cold brew coffee, you know. I have news that might not be news to you guys, but I'm smiling, but I don't want to smile. My tummy's not as fat as it used to be. This damn cyst. I shouldn't be smiling because it's not anything for me to smile about, but goddamn. Why can't I have a flat stomach? It's just... Excuse me. Hold on then. May I try to sit up? Again. I don't even know if you guys can... Hopefully can see me, see what I'm doing. But yeah, I'm going to be filming again my blood cleanse, a makeup tutorial again, but doing it and keeping it live, and that's going to be for the... So you know what? I'm gonna make today's video day 14, and then have the video I did with the makeup. That's going to be today, because I am trying to figure out how to make this. I don't want to have like back-to-back makeup tutorials, which is why it's probably going to like a chit chat with me, like story time. So I'm going to do a story time. So let's do... I'm not thinking about what I can talk about. In my life, there's been heartaches and pain, and I don't know if I can face it again. I don't know. Time, change this lonely home. How I know love is, now that I got my nails on. Don't you show me, yeah. So hopefully guys, I'm in frame. I'll come over somewhere, just think that I'm not. Yeah, there's a couple things like accessories that I can buy, like for my present situation now, with not having like a full camera setup, because you guys know I'm using my phone. I have the iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's an old phone by iPhone standard, you know what I mean? I have an ancient phone, and whenever I record, I try for my clips not to go over a certain time, because we have to transfer the files to my laptop, and because I don't have enough space on my phone, when I try to transfer like large files with like a 5-minute video or something without chat too much, it doesn't get transferred. So I have to be really careful of like how long I talk, you see me? So that's basically what I'm navigating right now, and I have to walk with my laptop like a huge, we call it now, like file transfer, like what do you call it? Like a terabyte. Yeah, it's like a mega huge terabyte that I have now, just because I have to always have it so I can just transfer the files to free up the memory on my phone. So it is tedious, and because you guys know I take public transportation, so you know it is tedious, and I jump on bus and so yeah, I'm sweating like a storm. I already showered. Excuse me, I think I'm gonna have to shower again. I'm going to, oh no, I don't want to wash this. I just got my nails dead, so I'm gonna use it dry. I'm not sure what color brows I want to do today. I'm not sure what kind of makeup look I want to do today. I made a purple brows. I made it like a, yeah. So the hotel that I was at, the Wi-Fi is absolutely crappy, so some files that I had transferred, I am not certain it was done properly. So no, it's just me here trying to figure out, you know, like what's the good file, what's the bad file. Okay, I think I'm good from here now. Boombot. Oh shit, let me just continue doing it this way. No. Oh, okay. I thought I made a mistake. I'm always so extra. Oh gosh, I worry a lot. I worry, and even with that too, I'm learning just how not to just let my life control me to that point, because I do worry a lot. I really do, and that's what I mean by like with me, with my trust in God, why it has to be different from me and it's not similar to anybody else's, and which is why I just have to guard blood cleanse. Oh, I took pictures. which is why I just have to guard me, you know. And I'm not saying guard me in like a cocky way or whatever, but I really have to just protect me because I'm misunderstood a lot, you know. So okay, perfect. This looks like the correct clip. Okay. Oh, and it's 12 minutes long. That is not bad. No, I'm just going to bring these in, do the audio, and I'm still learning on what to do. By the way, I've been toying with the idea of creating content and charging for it. Let me know what you think, and let me know what you think about price range would make sense. These are some really good clips that I got yesterday, you guys. I mean, just how I've turned into a vlogger is really strange to me, because I was never that. Is it me? Back in my day, vlogging was something completely different from what I was doing. Is it me? So vlogging now is just like, oh, okay, but it doesn't even feel like vlogging because I like sharing with you guys. Is it me? So it doesn't feel like vlogging. It doesn't feel like work, but it is a lot of work. Like I find myself like hardly having. Sorry, I'm looking if the clip is. It's upside down. Oh, it is upside down. Oh, it is upside down. Alright, so change of plans. I am not going to be doing my makeup today. I'll probably do it next week. I'm going to pack up all of this. Not going to do it today because I have to go to Spanish Town, then into Kingston, and then into Kingston be run up and down. Excuse me, which means me, because I sweat a lot, so me if we wear like boy clothes, me if I have on like a t-shirt or shorts, because I get sweat a lot. And today will be a lot of walking, so I'm not putting my makeup. I just go wear my hat. So I probably wrap my hair, put on my hat, and do my thug thizzle. So yeah, so I'm gonna head out on the road now. And I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
Thank you so much. Oh, you're romantic. Romantic. Driving actually 4,000? Yeah, man. Okay, good. Yeah, you? Okay.
I saw you have some businesses going on, like airline stuff.
Yeah, travel agency. Yeah, definitely. I think so.
I'm doing travel agency at Distinction. So I did 1 year.
Not a bad boss. Come on, me there. Come on, you, come on.
Sorry, watch your arm.
Yo, done.
Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain.
Huh? No, it's okay. You can go and talk. Yeah. No, you can turn it up if you want to, plus I'll close the door. You guys, I am nervous about about doing things by myself, doing things alone, because I'm so accustomed to like being with someone and just like bouncing ideas off someone. Just now relying on God is really good, especially for this next step. Because I need to get Jonathan into an amazing school, preferably private, because a private school is the only school that I see that can facilitate me as a parent, because my child's learning is not the issue. I feel like schools make a point of saying that your child will learn as if they have, that you don't. Well, not with my children. I teach them way better than a school could ever. You see me? So I really want a school that facilitates my child's learning, not take command of it and praise themselves when he naturally does well. So and I want a school that is not bothered by hair, dress code, jewelry. I don't know if there are schools like that in Jamaica. If there are, please let me know. But I find alone me see that. You see me? I mean, I don't mind the uniform, but the hairstyle is very archaic. It's extremely primitive to think that your hair will impede the knowledge or the understanding of a child, and then it goes into grooming. But it has nothing to do with grooming if the hair child, if the pitney have on locks and the locks do. If the girl hair do and it comb, it do good. If the boy trim and it trim neat, him with a mohawk and the mohawk neat. If him hair locks and it locks neat. There's nothing wrong with being properly groomed. Stop training a child to think that only one process or one order of grooming is the standard. It is not. People with locks are well groomed. I see my God, Jonathan, 21 boy will have on locks and I have one at over. It's so, me hate it. The school that Jonathan is attending now, it gives me crazy anxiety. I talk about it all the time on Close Friends. It is absolutely ridiculous, and I genuinely want to move him, and that has been giving me mad anxiety for months. Every time I go pick him up, the attacks are ridiculous. I'm not allowed on the compound. Me can't have on this, me not have on that. I must come out, put on one mask. And these are things that they only say to me because I've seen parents on the compound maskless, parents in the compound in them tights. Me see them things, them see this, and me alone, I feel like they attack me deliberately because they want drama. Because you know me, I'm not silent, and if there's injustice or I feel wronged or I'm going to state my claim. I'm going to be quite vocal, isn't me? And because they're mostly incompetent, and I've been shining light on their incompetence, not in a way for them to feel away, but for you to better yourself, because my child is at an institution and I give a crap about my child's learning. I care about his learning. So I need to move Jonathan. School September. I'm gonna start the first school yet. I'm so nervous. I don't know. I was even if I'm late to go back over this, so oh my God.
Give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get